Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, guys. This is extreme Christmas decorations. In this video, we're not checking out any old Christmas decorations. We're checking out the people that go above and beyond with extreme special effects and amazing lights. So this house behind me is in Ladera Ranch, California, and this is an amazing Christmas display going on 20 years. This house was actually featured on the Great Christmas Light Fight a few years back as well. This neighborhood is actually awesome on its own, but you add this house in, there's like people everywhere. There's people watching movies, people out in the streets having block parties and everything. This one is like absolutely insane. I see you, Mr. Grinch. You got a mix of DIY, all sorts of animatronics. Everything's like completely covered. Awesome lighting. And a real Santa. So this is all like DIY. That's so amazing. They cover like the posts and stuff.
It's just what I always wanted. A Christmas delight. It's just what I wanted. It's perfect.
This is awesome. Yellow Village.
She always wanted a Christmas delight. It's absolutely charming. Oh my, oh my. The color really suits me. I think I'll cry. It's just what I always wanted. It's perfectly right. It's just what she always wanted. It's perfectly right. It's just what she always wanted. A Christmas delight. It's simply too expensive. Oh my.
There's just so much to look at. It's like crazy. There's so much detail. There's war molds up there. There's crazy little codes. It's also the most people I've seen at a particular privately owned house. It was like a 15-minute traffic jam just to get into this area. All right, next up is a 2-for-1 here in Murrieta, California. So you got the Winter Wonderland house and the Martin's Amusement Park. As you can see, it's like a block party kind of vibe. This one's always really good with DIY and the animatronics. They also do an amazing job for Halloween. They kind of repurpose stuff. So cool how people do this kind of stuff and the animatronics and stuff. They get real creative. Yeah, I mean, most of the stuff is DIY. That's awesome. Oh, they got the railroad. So cool. buttons you can hit for the animatronics here. This is one of my favorite things. They also do it for Halloween. The Alpha-Matic. So cool.
It is mini bubbles. Motorcycle. Oh, was that Gabby?
I was wearing the costume ship.
Let's go this way. Let's see which one this side, right?
Oh, and you could feed the reindeer.
Hurry, sit right here. We'll take a
Look at the
pic.
detail.
You got Cornelius scores again!
I just noticed like the Disneyland teacups. So this next house is located in Ladera Ranch, California in Orange County. And as you can see, it's got like a really cool facade that replicates Disneyland's It's a Small World facade. It's all synced to lights. That's cool. That's awesome. So cool. So cool. So this is the ANS Christmas house in Riverside, California. Oh, these are so cool. There's a bunch of names on these things. It's a lot of DIY, very nice. Yeah, so homemade display. It's a really good job. And they put the little holes in all those pieces of wood, and there's a lot of pieces of wood. I mean, look at that. And all those different names. Excellent job. So that's all homemade. This is an excellent DIY house. They always do like unique cutouts. So this year's theme is superheroes and like Marvel and DC. And then of course they got the Christmas Village. And all those little pieces. There's so many cool little details.
Mickey, Mimi.
Yes, Mickey and Minnie.